How to turn on plug-in reminders on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's find here and select the settings button. It's located right here at the top of the screen. Then from the following list, as you can see, you can swipe here to the left and to the right. You need to choose the MITSUBISHI Connect. From the following view, all you need to do is select the charging messages. Then, as you can see, you can enable the charger reminder right here. So this is the master toggle switch for the general plug-in status alert. When turned on, the system actively monitors the battery's current state of charge and your location habit to ensure that the car warns you if you risk leaving the vehicle sitting with a depleted hybrid battery overnight. So it's quite useful. I like to have this reminder enabled. You can save a location before turning on this reminder. So let me do this. Let's save location that I would like to do this. For example, let me save this on my point of interest, for example here, and let me search some electric vehicle station. All right, tap OK. And as you can see, now I should be able to use the charge reminder. Alright, so if you have some saved location for unplugged messages, you can enable the charge reminder. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.